S. Vanitha, judgment of Honorable Apex Court, decided by three judges, was considered in Urmila Dikshit. S. Vanitha was decided on 15th December 2020. Urmila Dikshit was decided by Supreme Court in on 2nd January 2025, and both these judgments were considered in Samtola Devi versus the state of UP, which was decided on 27th March 2025. The gist of Samtola Devi is also the same, that the order for eviction of sons is not just and proper, because sons also have a right to the property. One another nature of case pertaining to Senior Citizens Act came before the Honorable Apex Court, in which Section 23(1) was considered. I think we remember that Section 23(1) is related with the transfer of the property by senior citizen, with the condition that he would look, or the transferee would look after, take care of the basic needs of the senior citizens, and in case the transferee fails, then at the option of senior citizen, that transfer would be declared void. Now the question is that if it is a transfer for consideration, this is one aspect, or if it is a transfer for a gratuitous transfer, there is a distinction. If the senior citizen transfers the property to sons or to relatives for substantial amount of consideration and without mentioning any clause, then the right of senior citizen to claim maintenance from such transferee does not survive. But where it is a gratuitous transfer with a condition precedent that the transferee would take care of the basic needs of the senior citizen as provided in Section 23 of the Senior Citizens Act, then the transferee is duty bound and the senior citizen has a right to claim maintenance from such transfer. In a case of Sudesh Chikara, decided on 6th December 2022, the Apex Court held that the two conditions mentioned in Section 23(1) were not met. That means the transfer deed never mentioned that the release deed never mentioned that the transferee would take care of the basic needs of the senior citizens. And therefore, the orders passed in their favor by the courts below were not just and proper, and they were set aside by the Supreme Court. This makes it clear that for claiming right by the senior citizen under Section 23(1), the condition precedent is that the deed must have a clause that transferee would maintain, would look after the basic needs of the senior citizens who inherits the property or who gets the property by way of the transfer deed. Thank you.